Hindi lang relasyon ang meron sila,
Hmm.
pagiging mag-asawa ang nawarak. It makes me wonder, why do we really have to talk about this ex-couple? Because for me, especially nowadays, they are both starlets of intergalactic proportions as coined by my kumare. This
My
is Alan Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring ultra maldita.
Who is not a starlet of intergalactic proportion? Charot!
Yes,
Hello, this is
she
Alex
is a
Brasas.
superstar. This is the Kitty Show. Ang tayo na talaking showbiz edition. So, Mare, naghihikab na lang ako habang i-discuss mo to kasi wala na naman akong pakialam kung hiwalay na di umano o hiwalay na daw ang peso bilyonaryo si Derek Ramsey at ang kanyang jowa na si Ellen Adarna, but there are lessons to learn from this separation. Mare, totoo nga bang hiwalay na? At kanino galing ang chika?
Tawag dito, sa isang episode, recent episode ni Christy, yung show nila Christy Fermin.
Okay.
It is with seeming finality that she announced na hiwalay na ang dalawa.
Ang dalawa.
Which I think is true.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Why do you think it's true?
Because if you are to go to the Instagram of Ellen Adarna
Mm-hmm.
and tawag dito,
The IG of
Derek, yung mga recent IG post, wala silang magkakasama together.
Okay.
'Di ba?
Mm-hmm.
At saka walang nagde-defend. It was only Derek who once said while upon walking up na
Upon
kasi,
waking up,
upon waking up si Sian Gasa kasi 'di ba posted mga allegations na iwalay na daw, chuchu. So sinabi niya hindi totoo.
okay.
Pero interestingly, kagigising lang niya.
Mm-hmm.
Why was Ellen not there?
Baka pinapalaguan si Elias. Pinaganda ng breakfast. Nanay siya, di ba?
Oo, pero
So, kailangan ba pag...
hindi kung mas mas reliable 'yon, mas credible 'yon kung you were denying it and your wife was there. Ay, hindi po totoo. Ito nga kami, you two,
Hindi
di ba?
nga totoo kasi na that time, jumijeb si Ellen.
The parameters of your reasons are incredibly... My God! Diyos ko!
But kasi mo ba yung nagluluto ng breakfast for Elias? Pinapalaguan yung baby nila. Ay, jumijebs.
Nangadaan pa. My God!
I really can't take this hiwalayan seriously simply because I really don't care.
Mm.
Maghiwalay kayo, go, makatanda na kayo. Ang sa akin lang, if this really is a separation, then Derek, nagkamali ka na pagpili.
Yeah. Parang whirlwind to kasi di ba?
You were in a happy relationship with a GMA starlet. Ikatago na namin sa pangalang Andrea Torres, right? Torres, di ba?
Tinago mo pa talaga. Oo.
Mali ako Andrea Torres. You were the picture perfect couple. And I know for a fact, as said in previous reports, that your parents love her. And hindi ko alam kung anong punot dulo ng hiwalayan ninyo. But agad-agad, pagkatapos ng hiwalayan nyo, eto na. The kiss of the Spider-Woman ka ni Ellen Adarna. Narahuyo ka agad sa alindog.
Tapos biglang
At
nagpakasal.
karisma, biglang nagpakasal. At between Nanay Christy and the so-called pambansang Marites, mas may weight at gravitas pag si Nanay Christy ang nakasabi.
Yeah.
So hindi ko paniniwalaan ng kahit anong nangyayari. Pinagsasabi mula sa bunganga
Nung bansot.
nung pambansang Marites. But with Christy, I can take it with a grain of salt. But not with that other entity. So kung hiwalay na kayo, man up, Derek. Yun lang. Magpakatotoo ka.
Kasi Wala na daw sa tinitirahan talaga
Diba?
ni umalis na sa bahay.
Man up. And then, total, ikaw ang lalaki. Ikaw
Mm.
magsabi ng katotohanan na talagang hiwalay na kayo. Baka naman gusto mong gayaan si Enrique Hill.
Mm.
Hindi kaya? Na
Ay,
3 taon na palang
3
hiwalay.
years.
Tapos nung inamin, di ba? Huwag naman ganun. Baka naman nag-hold on ka pala after 3 years, saka ako aamin.
Mm.
Derek, wala ka ng karera lalo nun.
At saka hindi,
Diba?
wala. Sinabi nga niya kay Morley Alinio na
Wala ka sa showbiz.
wala na siya showbiz, so private na siya, so he doesn't want to answer
Ayun, so, if you're a private citizen, Derek, then also we'll respect your decision if you don't want to talk about it.
Mm-mm.
But sooner or later, syempre may lalabas na mga,
Allegations,
more than the allegations,
rumors.
more than the rumors, a confirmation from Ellen.
Mm.
We do not know how Ellen operates.
Oo.
Diba? Bale, mabigla na siyang magsabi na, ay, tagal na kayo hiniwalay ko. Ito na ang bago kong jowa, no?
Ay! May ganon?
Diba?
You think that's possible?
Oo, si Ellen Paz,
Ah.
alindog niya at kariktan.
Ay, oh.
Ang bilis-bilis siya makakakuha ng bagong lover or bagong partner. So,
Mm.
doon ka lang aamin, Derek. Tapos, greatest performance of your life, umiiyak ka naman kay Tito Boy.
Mm.
Kakatanong naman si Tito Boy kung lights on or lights off.
Aray ko.
Diba?
Parang may pattern. Charot.
Diba?
Aray ko.
Hindi ba? What I'm trying to say is, if you do not want to put yourself in a situation wherein na mas mahihirapan kang umamin
Mm-mm.
or mauunahan ka, di ba? Mauna ka na. Di ba? Para kwentas klaras, hiwalay na kami, ito ang dahilan, tapos. Actually, even just one statement will do, hiwalay na po kami.
Alam mo what's intriguingly surprising is that the couple, diba, they were known to be tawag dito, upfront,
Mm.
diba? Pero now, parang they were not ready to admit anything.
Mm.
Diba parang iba ang parehong modern time ang kinalakihan nila.
Mm.
Parehong parang prangka, diba?
Mm.
Parehong hindi ipokrita.
Mm.
Pero what is intriguingly surprising is that hindi nila maamin.
Hindi nila maamin kasi a failure is a failure.
Ay, hindi.
Ang pagkasira ng relasyon ay isang patotoo na hindi nila alam ang ibig sabihin at ano ang dapat ginagawa sa isang pagmamahalan.
What do you think are they afraid of kung talagang wala na? Kung
Diba?
talagang diba?
Again,
Aamin lang naman eh. Diyos ko, ang dali-dali
sa
nun.
akin, baka mamaya we are not sure.
Mhm.
Baka mamaya we have contractual obligations.
Mm.
Diba?
Mm.
Diba? Which is possible.
Yeah.
Baka may mga contractual obligations sila na dapat until this very end, hindi kayo hiwalay.
Mm.
Pag natapos to, umamin kayo. Which is possible. Ganun naman, di ba?
Pwede.
May mga ganun. Kaya quiet pa sila. And I don't believe na tong being silent is that they're trying to salvage it. Parang point of no return na, di ba?
Oo nga, hindi. Kasi
From what is being...
yan din nasabi sa dun sa talk show ni Christy. Baka Derek is ironing things out, thrashing things out with baka masalvage pa yung kanilang
Oo.
marriage.
Mm-mm.
'Di ba? Baka that could be possible din,
Mm-mm.
'di ba? Kasi kaya inaano muna yung yung admission.
Mm-mm.
Hinuhold. 'Di ba? They were holding back the admission.
If it is still salvageable, mabuti. Kaya kung hindi,
Oh, goodbye sa mga fungi.
di ba? Ganun lang naman talaga.
Mm-mm.
They are kasi ang relationship naman, it really takes two people to make it work.
Mm-mm.
Hindi pwedeng isa nakahawak pa, isa nakabitaw na. Di
Pag
ba?
yung isa bumitaw na, wala na yun.
Lalo na pag ang unang
Mm-mm.
bumitaw, babae.
Oo.
Ang mga babae, pag bumitaw, buo na loob niyan. Mula ka ibuturan. Like, ayoko na sa'yo. There's no chance of us getting back together again. No amount of you crying in front of me, kneeling in front of me.
Ay, parang pa-segue to the next topic. Charot! Diba?
Diba? Alam mo naman ang mga babae, when they say, it's over. It's over. Hindi naman lahat ng babae parang si Alexa Miro. Diba? Handa pang tanggapin muli. Diba? Happy na nga si Ginoong Marcos sa bago niyang baby-babyhan. Na itatago natin sa pangalan?
I don't know eh. I don't know. Charot!
Basta, yung bagong baby ni first son, Sandro Marcos, ay starlet. Yun na lang po. Isipin nyo na kung sino yung mga pinangalan namin Intergalactic, Pine Tree, Celestial, Universal. One of those starlets. Di ba?
Aray ko,
Mm.
Diyos ko.
Kaya sa amin, we'll just hope that the Ramsey couple really are doing their best to talk it out, to communicate openly, and be honest with whatever are their feelings with regard to the continuation or the demise of their marriage. It's not a relationship, ha? It's a marriage. Di ba, Mars?
Ano na?
Hindi lang relasyon lang meron sila.
Hmm.
Pagiging mag-asawa. Ang nawarak. Di ba?
On that note,
And
charot.
on that note, ito po si Alwin Ignacio, the Diva that you love. Kasama ko ang aking kaibigang Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
At pinapanood niyo po ang mga relationship experts.
Parang ikaw lang?
Sa The TT Show!
Diyos ko!
Ang Tarayan at Talakin Showbiz Edition.